OpsVoice Copilot is a real-time voice and vision agent for Ops triage. You can share a screen, ask why did this break out loud, and get answers grounded in what's on screen and in Google Cloud Login. Here is how we built it with Google AI, and Google Cloud. The brain of the Copilot is the brain of the Copilot is Google's Gemini model via the Google Live API on Vertex AI. We use the Google Gen AI SDK in Python. That's official SDK for the Live API. And we connect with Vertex AI equal to true, so everything runs on Google Cloud. We use Gemini Live API, Live 2.5 Flash native audio model in Europe West 1. Live gives us real-time bidirectional audio. We sent 16 kilohertz PCM from the browser, and the model streams back 24 kilohertz PCM and the transcript events. We also send screenshots as inputs so the model can ground answers in what's on screen. The model has a tool, get recent logs. When it decides it needs logs, it calls the tool. Our backend then fetches the entire entries from Google Cloud Logging and sends the results back. The model says some things like, from the logs I just pulled, so the answer is clearly grounded in live data. Interruptions, barraging is supported natively by the Live API. This is an architecture diagram which shows agent, Vertex AI, and the tools proxy and Google Cloud Logging. Everything runs on Google Cloud. The app is 3 services on Cloud Run. It has 3 services on Cloud Run. A gateway that serves, this is a gateway service that serves as the UI and proxies to the voice web socket, an agent that runs a Gemini live sessions and calls the tools services, and a tools service that talks to Google Cloud Logging. So we use at least 3 GCP products: Cloud Run, Vertex AI for Gemini Live, and Cloud Logging. We deploy everything with a Terraform, state in the bucket, GCS bucket, and a single container image. The same image runs all 3 services. The service name environment variable selects gateway, agent, or tools. Terraform creates the artifact repo, builds the images with Cloud Build, and deploys the 3 Cloud Run services with the right environment variables and service accounts. We also have a shell script for quick deployment without a Terraform. The agent and tools service accounts have Vertex AI user and logs a viewer, so they can call the Live API and read the logs. So no secrets are hard coded. We use environment variables and application default credentials. The Terraform main.tf or showing the 3 services. It has 3 services: service agent, service tools, and everything. So it has 3 services. Now flow is very simple. The browser sends an audio and optional image over WebSocket to the gateway. proxies to the agent. Now the agent holds the Gemini live session. It pushes audio and images to the session into the session, and when the model calls get recent logs, it posts to the tool service. Tools calls the cloud logging API, returns a text summary. The agent then sends that back into the live session as a tool response, and the model continues with voice and transcript. So the only external APIs we are Vertex AI for Google, Gemini Live, and cloud logging for logs, both Google Cloud. So this clearly shows it. For demo, we have a script that pushes the UI is simple. You can choose an image, or sample transcript for first load. Then you can connect to the voice, start the mic. Why did this break?
The screenshot shows a Cloud Run deployment failing to start. The error message says the container failed to...
So that's how we built Ops Copilot with Google AI, Gemini Live on Vertex AI, and Google Cloud, Cloud Run, and Cloud Logging. If you want to try it or see the code, check the repo link in the description. This video was created for the Gemini Live Agent Challenge. Thanks for watching.